Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Markets are really good, right? In fact, it is ignoring all the bad news, right? So yesterday also there was a misfire. I think Russia or Ukraine misfired some missiles into Poland, and even those things also market is ignoring. Not only that, today there was I think today some inflation data or CPI inflation data, UK inflation data was out, and even in fact, in spite of all that happening, markets are really in the green. What I can see is green everywhere, whether it is our screen or it is in the market, right? Okay, actually, when our markets closed, everything was in the green. Now slightly it was in the red. It is in the red. In fact, German market is 1% down, almost 1% down. France is down by 0.5%. FTSE is flat, and even US markets are all flat. Right now, I've been saying this for a very long time. Last 3 days I've been saying there is a divergence in the market, there is a divergence in the market, and market, it is time to be cautious, right? But what is happening is market is keep on going on the higher side in the sense, like, every dip is being bought into. Even if you see today's chart, every dip is being bought into, right? So this is the Nifty 50 chart, and if you can see here, today there was around maybe around 245 or 240. There was a very big drop from 18,400 to 18,300. It's just merely 80 or 90 points, but still it was a big drop. And you can see what happened immediately. Market had reversed, and the same thing is happening in Bank Nifty also, right? So there was a drop of from around 42,500 600 levels to around 42,200. Immediately we saw a retracement, and markets went on the higher side, right? So if you see this is the 5 minutes chart, but in the meantime, if you see this in a daily chart pattern, what you can see is clearly there is a divergence. When this divergence will work, nobody knows, right? We'll have to wait. Anyway, 11th November, there was a very big gap. Nifty gapped up more than 400 points. Bank Nifty gapped more than 1,200 points. That gap has to be filled. If you go and check in the chart, or let me show you, 11th of November, I think. Yeah, 11th of November, there was a huge gap up. That was, yeah, I have to, okay. I think, yeah, this gap up. This was occurred on 10th of November, 11th of November, from 41,627 to around 42,100. So 500 points gap up in Bank Nifty, and I think Nifty also gapped up more than 200 points. So this gap will, for now, immediately, I'm telling immediate support. I'm not saying long-term support, immediate support. You know that wherever there is gap, it will be filled, right? So gaps are meant to be filled. So this gap also will be filled when we really don't know. If we are getting negative global cues today because of US market, and we gap down tomorrow, maybe things can change, right? So that's why I'm cautioning you last 3 days. Anyway, there is no upside momentum, right? So markets, it is only because of Bank Nifty markets are moving on the higher side. If it was not Bank Nifty, maybe Nifty will not go up. Nifty is, for the 3 days, it is struggling to move above 18,400 or 18,400 level. Lifetime high is 18,600 for Nifty, but it is struggling. It is going higher, then it is coming down, going higher, coming down, zigzag move. So today, if you see Nifty chart, it was complete zigzag move, right? I wouldn't say this is volatile, but this is completely zigzag move. And if we are not getting global cues, as you may know, all the global markets are all in the red. In fact, we have rallied so much, right? We have rallied this, whatever happened in the last 10 or 15 trading session, we have rallied so much. So there should be a consolidation as of now. If there is a consolidation, so that's going to be good for the market. So that's what I think, right? So hopefully, let us see what happens. Markets should consolidate. Even though many of you are bullish, I'm not bullish. I am always a bear. I will never go long in the market. I will always try to short the market, but it doesn't mean I have shorted the market, right? You have to understand that. As an option seller, my work is to do non-directional, start with the non-directional strategy, and as we move, we turn delta negative or delta neutral strategy to delta negative strategy, or maybe if the market is going on the higher side, we change that to delta positive strategy. So this is what as an option seller I do. So let us see how things pan out. Hopefully we will see a gap down tomorrow. Even if it is gapping down, you know that gap which was formed on 11th of November, which is around 18,200 level, will act as a support, and for Bank Nifty maybe 42,200 will act as a good support. And in terms of open interest, all I can see is huge puts are being written both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So what you can see today is people were writing aggressive puts in 42,500. In fact, the highest put today is in 42,500, which means smart money is pumping money. Or so let's take a contra view. Let's say 42,500 is being written heavily. Whether it is written or whether it is bought, whether it is sold or whether it is bought, we really don't know. If really the smart money is very bearish and they think there is a divergence in the market and market may go down, maybe they would have bought 42,500 put option, right? We really don't know. But what the overall open interest is showing is that 42,000 is having the highest open interest. And you know this 42,200, remember this 42,200, this gap on 11th of November, high was around, it gapped up at 42,200. Bank Nifty now is around 42,500. From 11th of November till now, it has just moved 300 points, which means it is struggling. It doesn't have any momentum on the higher side, on the upside. So you have to understand that support for Bank Nifty is 42,200. If that gap is taken out, then we might struggle. We might go to 41,500 or 41,600 levels. That is in terms of Bank Nifty open interest. And if you see this, what is that Nifty open interest? And today is expiry. No use of seeing this this thing, but maybe we will see the monthly. Yeah, monthly is good. Even monthly, you can see that there is aggressive puts being written at 18,000. Even Bank Nifty also, you can see aggressive puts being written at around 42,000, right? So earlier I showed you the weekly, but this is the monthly. Since we are in last week of November series, so maybe next week is the expiry, right? So next week is the expiry, monthly is the expiry of November series. So maybe 42,000 will act as a good support, and 18,200 or 18,000 will act as a support for Nifty. So 18,600 is the high, right, for Nifty, resistance for Nifty. And Bank Nifty already it has crossed, I think 18,500, sorry, 42,500 or 42,600 or 700 levels will be the resistance. So Bank Nifty is going to uncharted territory. So you have to remember this, right? And FII data, I'm sure FIIs would have bought, actually FIIs are not actively participating in the market. We'll also check if FIIs have done something. I'm sure FIIs would have sold, right? Or maybe they would have bought. So that is how they behave. Let me check, just give me 2 minutes. Yeah, this is the FII data. And today FIIs have, actually FIIs have sold today. They have sold for around 386 crores. And DIIs have bought for 1,437 crores, right? So this is how the markets are looking like. And last but not the least, we have created a forum. You can join the forum if you want to ask any queries, if you have any doubts, or if you want to know about some strategies. Of course, you can go to this forum and create a post. You can upload videos. You can create a poll. You can upload a video. You can upload maybe some picture of strategy. You have some questions. You have some doubt about your trading style. You can post it here. All you have to do is go to optionsense.com. You have to log in, of course. Then you have to go to forum and you have to create a post, and in the category you have to select create a post, and in this category you have to select question and answer, and you can post whatever you want to post, right? So this is what I want to say. I think I have summarized everything, nothing much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.